How I look in the light?
You look good, girl.
Thanks, babe. What's up, y'all? You already know who this is. This is Ashley Artisan, and I'm about to hit y'all with another DIY. But y'all ain't ready for this one. Or goes my way. Check it out. It's lightning. It's lightning. It's lightning. It's lightning. Hello? Yeah, it's YouTube. They said, subscribe to my channel. Sorry, that was a little intense. Like it. Give me some comments. Tell me what y'all think about it. Let's just go ahead and jump into it.
Cheap.
Fire!
Hope y'all felt that I gave you everything I could in that video. Yes, thank y'all for watching. I hope you liked it. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm digging these lightning pants, y'all. If you make these, that's just too loud. We're doing a video.
Whack.
Come on. So I'm gonna show y'all how to pair these and style it and everything. Actually, I'm gonna show you that right now. As far as what to do next, let me know. Shouts to hubby and the robe and the bakes bag. Yes. You know, be real in your attire. Yes, this is what you call fashion right here. Go ahead and call Goodwill and tell them to endorse you.